Last year, I was part of the Close for Maintenance initiative, where we partnered together with the farmer here. Volunteers helped us fence this area. We did it as a part of a restoration initiative that we called Lentesbete, translated to Land Aid. We fenced off the sheep to see and learn what kind of impacts they truly make on our environment. Suddenly you could see with your eyes that the dreams that you had for so long were reality.
We aimed to show that visitors should be seen as a part of the solution, rather than seen as the problem, built on the fact that we know that most people really want to do good.
If I had to describe my experience with Close for Maintenance in one word, it would be outstanding.
Community.
Buzzed.
Heavenly.
Real. Diversity.
Indescribable.
Surreal.
Friendship.
Awesome.
Community.
Yeah, I think just it's magic.